mani kaloku bahlala besithe ndifumane calls about i-meeting esithe kaloku ayinguye lo Sunday. uSunday olandelayo kula initiative kaZuko lwasekoneni yala brainstorming session malunga nokususa or uncothula nengcambu i-drugs apha community next week Sunday. Siyithetha le nto ngu-Sunday and la date yala next week Sunday yi-15 kaFebruwari. So izobe lapho ekoneni. I think iposter uzayikhupha ngomso ndokhe ndiphinde naye ndimlandike ndimnqwanqwazise ngayo. Eyona nto ndifuna uyilandika man, I've got a lot of we know it's le nto siyiqalileyo man, it's not an easy task, ayonto ilula, but I'm pleading with abantu abathengisa izinto ilandika i-drugs. As bendisitsho, most yaba bantu bazithengisayo ziitshomi zethu, ziifemeli zethu. I'm pleading with bona man uba bayi-understand the concept behind le nto lena. I know ibenzela imali bona, but at the same time they need uba ba-understand uba sinabantwana bethu, sine-family members zethu, sinezinto zethu community esimoshalaza ezona ngenxa yabantu abathengisa ii-drugs. To sit down singenzi into ayizosincedisa tu le into. I've been sitting down and understanding bona. Ibimele uba ke ngoku nabo bayayi-understanda, and if possible basijoyine phaa kulaa session so that we can hear elabo icala. Mna ke ndingumntu othandayo ulaa nto umamela, ya understanda, and we're gonna cover deep whether umntu ufuna uvezwa okanye akafuna uvezwa. It can be arranged so that we can hear icala labo. So BCM TV will be covering leyo into. It's not our initiative yabanye abantu. I think any one community leadswa nguZuko plus ne-forum ezipha. So to i-community members, I know there are a lot of abantu abathi xa sithetha ngale into everyone usibuza about niqala nini eCalifornia. Yazi abanye abantu they are so demoralizing. When usithi makwenziwe lena, then they will come up with all sort of excuses not to do le nto nicinga uba ibimele biyenzeka. And ayizosuke iphele nje drugs upper community. You've been sitting with zona for ixesha elide hoping zizowuphela, azipheli ndawo inoba ziyaziba more. So it's either we educate abantwana bethu, siba protect abancinci, and sikodibane as a community. I strongly believe naba bantu bathengisa drugs, bayayiva le nto lena. It's not right. Bayayazi it's not right for abantwana babo basebenzisa drugs, hence they are protecting abantwana babo bangaze bazisebenzise, and yet they are selling it to kwabanye abantwana. That's i-business ilelo hlobo. I'm not saying sonke, I mean sibhetere kunabo thina, I understand. I've been selling utywala for ixesha elide, but I've realized this thing, it's not really growing. Mhlambi ayiqinisa ayisikhulisa isizwe, ya understand, kwelam icala. So nabo I strongly believe bayanayo le into, but abanye they don't have plan B. That's the only plan abanayo, ya understand, of surviving. So we cannot really siba blame, but at the same time we cannot accept that as a norm. I hope Uban understand, I understand. So we cannot accept to ubulala isizwe and to corrupt abantwana must be a norm yethu ngenxa yaba bantu they are not working, and understand. So I hope bayas understand, and as sisho, it's a brainstorming session. Mhlambi their side of the story is also needed so that sikwazi whatever decision esizithatha with their mhlambi no understand about why they are doing le nto lena, and nabo siba understand say why we are doing le nto. I know those people are very powerful, and bayakwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeka e-community, and abanye abantu bafilisha like mhlambi by doing izinto ezi, by you stand up against bona, we are putting our lives in danger. Our lives have been already in danger, guys, by, yeah, understand, because lamapara, they can do anything. A drug dealer, yeah, understand, iyi-one yona, amapara mangaphi a-create-wa zezi-drugs zakhe, and those people, they don't think, yeah, understand, are straight. They can do anything to get ilandika le nto yabo. They can do anything to get the fix yabo. So I think mna, guys, we need aba bantu, i-parents ezinabantwana that are starting drugs, i-parents ezinabantwana that are on drugs, i-parents ezinabantwana or families that are died, arrested, beaten up, broken, crippled by the effects of the drugs. They need to understand this. They need to discuss with bona what measures will be acceptable, what other things can be done to curb the use of the drugs, because it has grown exponentially indaba yosebenziswa kwe-drugs, especially with communities. And now yayiqale i-Mandrax, and now kukho Mandrax yayibabenza abantu balale, and now we've got aba bantu ke ngoku bayitshintsha to cocaine, to tooth, to whatever. I don't know, I've never used these drugs, ndiyazoyika iron. So iyanideka serious abantu intervention from a community, because amapolisi baxakile, i-forums nazo zixakiwe yiyo. They can only do so much, namapolisa, they can do so much. So imagine when forums, communities, abazali bedibene and fighting le nto, I think it's winnable. But we cannot act as oguti-guti, understand? We need not sibashiye ngaphandle aba bantu basisebenzisayo nabo mhlambi, we need sibatreat as lamapara, because they are hooked kwimali yalanto. Yeah, understand? They don't see anything, and they, same as amapara will do anything to get a fix. Nabo, they will do anything to protect lento yabo, okuthengisa kwabo. So kuthi as i-BCM TV, it's something that that is worth it. We publicize and educate abantu, including nabo abalandikayo bathengisayo, because we're still trying to brainstorm about how do we get rid of the drugs before we can take measures ezirongo, you understand? And ke usithreatenisha ngosidubula, usithreatenisha ngosibulala, you will kill us, but you won't kill the idea, you understand? So we need to siyazi ba as communities, we're getting into a fight, and this fight ayikolula. Your fight fight yabantu abanemali that can do anything to protect i-thefts zabo, and they can do anything to protect the business zabo. So it's I would say it's a just, the fight is just, it's worth it ukuyilwela into lolo hlobo, so that the communities zethu, so that we can have ulutsha olu-productive. We can have, imagine, I'm thinking of what will be measures of fighting drugs. I'm saying sonke ingxaki yethu i-community siyabazi bayathengisa, and after mhlambi sibawonishile, after sithethile nabo, then they won't look at us as abathengisi, understand? When we tell, xa sibaxelela about this is what we want in our community. So when you see sisebenzisana and ungumhlali mhlambi ke sobekwa izimpimpi siziba zimpimpi apha ekuhlaleni uba uyayithengisa ubani we can ingxaki yezinto ezitsofu uyayibona itraffic eyapha it's abnormal la traffic imani krweca phaa imani yodibana naloo mfo kulaa kona and there is something strange. So we can see ezo nto ezo ii-communities kulula ubona yonke into eqhubekayo that is around ii-communities zabo. So hence I'm saying le fight ingalula kakhulu but inento uba sitreate as drug dealers not as mhlambi enemies, because namapara they are not our enemies but they are the people. That's how I think. They are the people abafuna and believe aba-addicted bafuna ulungiswa, you understand. So as abantu abathengisa drugs, so iyanideka laa nto la approach xa sisiya kubo, you understand uba hey yeah, you are a member of a community and we want you to change, you understand, and if need to be we have to force a change. I don't know how you feel, but please man, let's not be, if you've got different ideas than aba bantu that are initiating into, go be part of lento and go and raise izinto zakho khona. Don't try, let's not try to demoralize or to sitting and doing nothing. I self not at all. It will make a situation worse. But taking a step, taking a stand, can lead to as results. It may not lead, but at least you are doing something than sitting and hoping and praying. So guys, that's what okay. One thing we're still not sure. I'm not happy with the East Office forums, especially this ezalapha kwathu. You understand? You've got Khalis besila no Gwenderere and kukho naba, you understand, ufumanisa uba as forums idibene, but the real thing akuliwayo yi-crime, the real thing eliwayo ilandikeni. And yesterday, the reason why I'm doing the video, yesterday imoto kaKhalis endlini yakhe iphela lakhe litshisiwe intentionally. Whether ilitshiselwa for le meeting ebeyikhwaza izolo ye-drugs kwaye-new1 ngo-5 or litshiswa zii-forums ezi, now I would like to give the benefit of it out, you understand, ebantwini, but you don't really know oba kwenzeke ntoni nakhona, and to assume oba iforum ezitshisile or i-drug abantu abathengisa i-drug batshisile ngenxa yenze laa nto, it's premature until ufumane some sort of evidence that is leading to leyo into before you judge abantu. So all in all guys, I mean, with laa nto yenzeke kuKhalis we-task force, ke understand, kutshiselwe ilandika, it's another threat of saying stop doing whatever that you're doing. If as forums zilwa ngemali, then they need uba imali zilandike zizame ngolunye uhlobo or zizame imali without, because at the end of the day they will need each other, and if bazolwa ela hlobo, if bathi kuthiwa ngabo, then it's uncalled for. That's criminality. Kasethi nyani le bayenzileyo yotshisa imoto yomntu, you understand. And ke if ziforum ezilwayo, it's bad, even if zingabantu abathengisa drugs abazama ubonisa, it's worse. All I'm saying guys, we need to be prepared for everything that is happening, and as a community sijonge whatever that is happening. We started the fight or sizoqala i-fight engazoba lula at all. Aba bantu bane arms, aba bantu bane mali, they can do anything, but thina sinamandla. I mean, we've been fighting the apartheid system with only Yamakeqa and the numbers as now, and one member that is having lo 50,000 or lo half a million cannot destroy us. Ilandeka apartheid system was having billions ebhankini and ammunition and arms namajoni, but sakwane samanager nosebe abo samanager ukuba ukulwa sayiwin fight nabo. So if the people abacinga drugs will be intimidated by individuals just because of leyo into, nabo mabayijonge ngolunye uhlobo, mabayicinge or bayibone ngolunye uhlobo, we won't be intimidated. Anyway, that's me, uSviji, hoping abantu ke that are involved, abazithengisayo, abazisebenzisayo, aba-affected by drugs, ke sihambeni ke siyo-brainstorma, ke sithetheni uba how do we deal with this sketch and how do we get sibabheyile out amapara, including naba bantu bathengisa ii-drugs. Siviwe Mahlahla from BCM TV. I'm out.